company that I worked at for 6 years, and everything's suddenly changed.
Talking, right? You can't
And it makes me worry about the future.
you can see.
It makes me worry about the future of celebrity conservatorships, like when Britney happened.
Michelle Obama wouldn't have happened.
Elon Musk Twitter, I don't
Elon
know,
Musk
right? This
on
used to be a
Twitter.
town square.
Obama
and,
in 2008 wouldn't have happened
Who laid you off?
without
my
like
director,
an Elon
our
Musk
entire
on
team got
Twitter.
laid
You need
off. Yeah, data
free
engineering.
speech is when
30 people.
a public company,
Data engineering.
a public owned dog.
So can you just explain
Not like one guy owning a company, But
I'm a data
I mean,
engineer. We've been having a lot of
I went on a
problems,
Tesla, man. Like,
and,
I'm a big
Elon
fan of like clean energy, climate change,
I'm going to try and get
Terrible.
some.
even
Really
free
bad.
speech
I
too.
feel really shitty.
But
how are you?
yeah,
My direct entry buyer.
software engineer,
How long have you been working here?
3 years out of college. It's my first job out of college.
Did they tell you why you were laid off? Did they give a reason?
They said like no reason, but it's just like restructuring or like no specific reason. One person talked. So there was an HR person in the beginning, and then one person, talking. I couldn't see how many people were in the meeting. Yeah. RAHUL.
RAHUL.
Yeah.
What's your last name?
LIGMA.
LIGMA.